Hello and welcome again to Fussels TV, and me and the Melican are here. Welcome.
Hello
John.
there, Timothy. How are you today?
I am just fantastic, and I can't tell you how much I am enjoying doing this at this particular moment.
Fantastic. And we've still got snow outside.
And we've still got snow outside. We're a week later. So what we're going to do today is we're going to do a poached egg with a Fussels twist. Is that
exactly?
Right? Now, just talk us through some of the ingredients that are going to be in there.
Basically, what we're going to do some garlic mushrooms in a sense, but we're going to put some asparagus through there and chiffonade. So basically, finely sliced.
Finely sliced, but we like the word
chiffonade. Yeah, it's exactly a kitchen term.
It's a kitchen term.
It is.
It's a bit like the Cheffy Shake.
It is a Cheffy Shake, yeah.
Right.
And then on top of that, we're going to put a poached egg as well.
And we've had some water boiling away.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
I think we've got some bacon in the oven.
We've got bacon in the oven, and we're going to do some, what we're going to do today, we're going to use your truffle oil today.
We're going to use
first recipe today with the Fussels on the truffle oil, which is your product, which is just only had this product out for now?
We've had that out for about 3 years now. Now this is a product which is only available through us here at Fussels Fine Foods even, okay, and you have to go on over to fusselsfinefoods.co.uk and you can buy it online from us. It's also at all our markets and shows that we'll be doing throughout the coming year. All of the products that will be highlighted today in the other episodes that we've done, they're all available from us. But if you want to find out where they are available in your local store, then go over to our stockist page and everything is available. You can see where it's available there. Okay, I've got some beeping going on behind me, so I'm just going to press a button. There we go, that's going away, the bacon's going away, and we've got the pan warming up, we've got some water on, we're chopping up some mushrooms.
Brilliant, let's go then, Timothy. So basically what we're going to do today, we've got some nice field mushrooms. I peeled them to get the skin off them, because it can be a bit bitter and a bit chewy, like in the skin, so obviously take them off. Going to get a frying pan on at the moment to fry all the mushrooms off. We've got a pan on here, now this is to do the eggs, the poached eggs. Put a little bit of vinegar in there, basically brings the egg white together. If you don't put the egg, if you put poaching eggs in plain water, the egg white just goes everywhere.
So that's a little secret tip. Make sure you put some vinegar.
A little bit of vinegar, not a lot, about half, maybe about 10 ml, something like that.
Okay.
So basically, we're going to start this pan off. It's getting warm now, which is great.
Okay. So
we're going to get this up and go. We're in a hot pan. So we're going to set the mushrooms on now, and then we're going to literally cook them in a little bit of the garlic rapeseed oil, just a little bit.
Okay.
Garlic mushrooms. Okay. So it's a bit of a no-brainer. So let's get them going in there.
Now it has to be said that mushrooms, an easy way to do garlic mushrooms. I do them every other Tuesday morning when we do breakfast over here at Fussels Fine Foods for our network breakfast. We just cook off the mushrooms in the garlic oil. It is delicious.
Exactly, very simple, yeah, very simple. Now the reason I've cooked them in a small pan, the reason for that is that I want to get some good colour on these mushrooms, all right? So we'll get it going now. Leave them on the skin side down and let them come up.
Okay.
All right. So while I wait for this to come up, Timothy, what are we going to do?
This is what I'm really looking forward to.
Rondelle, chiffonade.
Rondelles.
So basically, what we're going to do, because we want them fine, you're going to cut them on an angle, yeah. And these take next to nothing to cook. So if I show you that, then I'll let you crack on with it.
Oh, I knew it.
How's that? Yeah. Go all the way up to the top.
Go all the way up to the top, so just like you did there.
Yeah, brilliant. Okay, so brilliant.
Now I've never chiffonaded.
Chiffonaded?
Asparagus.
Which have your fingers, yeah?
I know, but I cut my fingers.
I know your wife would kill me if she sees you with a
chiffonaded finger.
Exactly that. So what I've done, I've got some bacon. I put the bacon in already. So it's just some back bacon we've got on already. So I'm going to get this out of the oven. It should be ready, Timothy. Yeah. A bit longer. Okay, so while this is going on here, I'm going to turn this pan on. Okay, very simple.
Now, how are my chiffonades doing there?
Yeah, doing really well actually.
Are they?
Yeah.
Sheathing those up.
So what I've done is we're going to get we're going to crack these into here. Now normally, if you were a good old dealer would obviously spin the pan first. It's a bit, it's quite a nice thing to do, but at the end of the day, it's not necessary, not really. You just need to get the pan rolling, not physically boiling. You just need to get it rolling. So what you do, put these in here, one hand, get them in there. That's one. And we always do two, because I like eggs and I'm an Irishman. So, grow up on a farm, we always put 2 eggs in,
Every Irishman likes his eggs, is that right?
Yeah. So now, we've got that going on there now, which is great. I'm going to put a little bit more oil in these in here.
Okay.
Okay, which is great.
So a bit of oil, and again, now what we can do is, I love this. This is the part of cooking I love, where we can see it cooking, we can hear it cooking, but more importantly, we can smell it cooking.
Exactly, yeah, exactly, yeah. So
Okay.
what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to get some shallots, and I'm just going to chop them down, nice and fine. And the reason I'm going to do this is so that we can just get them into the mushrooms and get the flavour going. So we have the truffle oil, it has a bit of acidity. Alright, okay. I'm going to let them really fine. The reason why I'm doing that too is so that, like the rondelles, they don't take off the cook, but it gives it a bit of texture.
Okay, now what about my chiffonades here? Am I throwing them in here?
Yeah, what we're going to do, we're just going to get a nice little spoon. And what we're going to do, we're just going to check this out. Yeah, so you see
look at those little beauties.
You see the colour, yeah? Yeah. Yeah, so just come on one side. So what we're going to do, we're going to get the rondelles. Going to get your rondelles in there now, isn't it? Perfect.
We can get them on there, right? Okay.
Yeah,
there we go.
Lovely. And then we're going to put in my my onions as well, yeah. And then a little bit of
garlic.
Little bit, not too much. Once again, nice and fine. Yeah. Okay. And what this does, it just enhances the flavour, yeah. Yeah. Just give it that little bit, not too much, yeah.
There we are. Lovely. If that goes, I can see the eggs cooking already.
Yeah, lovely. And then what we're going to do is stir this around. Wow. You see now the resilient water coming through, yeah?
I can indeed, yeah.
I'm going to put a little bit of the truffle oil in here.
There we are, just a little bit, because this is ever so strong, this stuff.
Yeah, and then, yeah, in there.
Okay.
And then, you can smell it, can't you?
Oh, I can smell it. And again, this is the bit I love, but also it's the bit I hate, because I just want to get stuck straight in. Then a little bit of bacon coming here.
A little bit of bacon. Now the bacon's cooked, which is fine. I'm going to put that on there. Now, with me, obviously, back in the day, sorry for that, I like to put all the flavours in together so when they cook, yeah? Yeah. Okay, it's very important to me that. So what we do, put all this in here like this. So, nice bit of bacon. I mean, obviously, at this point you can use lardons or anything like this here.
Pancetta,
yeah. Exactly, smoked pancetta.
Whatever you've got, again, the point is, whatever you've got in the left in the fridge, that's it. I can feel a bit of salt going in there, John, is that right?
Really?
Well, you usually put a bit of salt.
Yeah, I do.
Your salt, you go about this stage.
You're right. It doesn't need it though.
It doesn't need it.
No, okay. So what we're doing now? See the next now.
Oh. Oh.
So what we're doing here?
Look at that beauty.
Yeah,
oh.
So what we're going to do is
don't leave mine in there too long because I like it.
Just going to take that.
You're going to take that one out as well.
Yeah. So I'm going to put this on here like this, yeah, and then we just do that. Yeah, lovely. Then, perfect. Look at these. These are perfect. So I'm just going to put one on here. Yeah, just a little one. And the reason I'm going to do that is because I want to.
So we can move that phone out of the way.
Yeah. Let that down here.
Just stick that down there.
Lovely. So what I'm going to do as well is. Just going to put a little bit on more, just to refresh up the flavour.
Yeah, we did that before, didn't we, with our scrambled eggs?
Exactly, we did it right there. It just enhances the flavour.
Okay.
Now at this point here, like if I know when I was in Italy, they put a little bit of parmesan on this, you know that. A little bit of parmesan.
Now I can see a little bit of parmesan.
Yeah, a little bit of parmesan right at the end, yeah. Just a little bit of salt. We're talking about the salt at the end, yeah. So that'll enhance the truffle oil, the mushroom. Yeah. It's a fun get all there together. All right.
So all we have to do now
is tuck in, Timothy.
Here we are, here's your fork.
Fantastic.
There you go.
Thank you very much. So as you can see, we've got a nice yolk. I let you tuck in there.
Oh my goodness gracious me, look at that.
Yeah. So just tuck in there, Tim, and you just try that. Yeah? Nice and easy.
Let's have a little taste here.
I mean, I'm thinking bread here, nice bit of crispy bread. You know, nice bit of French stick or something like that, buttered, toasted. Lovely. Tastes truffle, don't you?
This is like an old. You could have this at breakfast time.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
So we've got our bacon, and again, whatever bacon you fancy. We've got some nice field mushrooms. We've got that lovely poached egg. We've got the chiffonades of asparagus there.
Yeah,
lovely. A few shallots. Lovely flavour. Now, just to remind you, the products that we've used today, the truffle oil and the garlic oil, all available at fusselsfinefoods.co.uk. If you want to come and buy some of that stuff, you're welcome to come over here at Fussels HQ at Road. But if you want to find your stockist page, go on over to fusselsfinefoods.co.uk and you'll find out where your local store is. A couple of things coming up. There'll be loads of tours and loads of events on the website, so you can go on over and see what we're up to over at Fussels Fine Foods. So that's it from us today, John. Thanks very much once again. And that's it from me and the American. See you next time.
Thank you very much.